The following is a production by Lone Star Community Radio, Montgomery County's community radio station. You can support Lone Star Community Radio by donating and sponsoring programs just like this. For more information, check us out online at irlonestar.com. This segment is brought to you by
Team Sinisi is a proud sponsor of Conroe Culture News. Vinny Sinisi and his professional team provide comprehensive real estate services throughout the greater Montgomery County area and beyond. Whether looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, Team Sinisi has an impeccable reputation. Contact Team Sinisi for a great experience at teamsinisi.com. That's TEAMSINISI.com.
Since 2004, Roger Stein Chiropractic has offered spine and joint manipulation services to residents of Montgomery County and surrounding areas. Conditions treated include lower back pain, migraines, headaches, whiplash, carpal tunnel, neck pain, sciatica, joint pain, sports injuries, herniated discs, and complications from pregnancy. Roger Stein Chiropractic, led by Dr. Stacy Rogers and Dr. Brian McGee, is an integrity-verified chiropractic clinic. Call 936-441-9990 for an appointment or visit rogerssteinchiropractic.com. That's RODGERSSTEIN chiropractic.com.
Hey, this is Chris from the Ticket Stub. You're listening to Lone Star Community Radio on 104.5 KCZW LP Conroe and 106.1 KZCC LP Conroe and worldwide on irlonestar.com.
Good morning, good afternoon. So we are back talking about the people that are involved with the Fall Health and Wellness Festival, which is this coming Saturday, November 6th in Tamina. And those guests today with me are Rita Wiltz. She is the Executive Director of Children's Books on Wheels. Courtney Galle, the Marketing Manager at Lone Star Family Health Center. And Savitri Seupersad, she is the Program Manager. All these ladies are sitting with me today, and they're going to talk about their programs that they have individually as nonprofit organizations and how they help the community and all about what this event is about. So, Rita, tell me a little bit about this event.
Well, this event, we are excited. We are so excited that families have access to the Fall Health and Wellness event that is going to be in the Tamina Park. It is huge. It is fenced in. It's a safe area to be.
Where is the Tamina Community Park?
So the Tamina Community Park is straight down Research. Come all the way across the railroad track, make a right, and it's on Main Street in Tamina.
It's pretty easy to find.
Pretty easy to find. County Park. Commissioner Met's area. We thank them for their participation with this event. We'll have a little bit of everything for the families. Services will be in multiple languages. We'll have entertainment, live entertainment from dancers. We'll have face painting. We'll have the YMCA. We'll have everybody coming out to have access to social services. Healthcare Marketplace Navigators will be out providing services. We'll have vaccines. You name it, we'll have it.
Who's providing the vaccines?
And you know who's providing the vaccines. Of course, without a doubt, my favorite partners in all of the world is the Lone Star Family Health Center.
Yes, you've partnered with them quite a bit.
Yes,
I mean, all the time.
All the time. You know, our event was the one that was put together with, Karen and also with Judge Keogh came out, and it was an exciting opportunity to have families to have access to the vaccines, and we really appreciate them doing that. And you couldn't do it without MilSap. Got to have protection out there.
That was January 2021.
Yes.
Seems so long ago, but it really wasn't, right?
Does seem like a long time ago.
Yes. So tell me a little bit about what you're going to be doing out there, Savitri.
So we will be offering COVID-19 vaccines. We had been on the ground, January 2021, offering vaccines to the community. And we,
all over the community.
And we vaccinated over 60,000 people in our county and beyond that came in. If you remember, it was kind of a frenzy. People were desperate to get their vaccine, so they came from all over. We even got some international friends coming in.
Really?
Yes, we did.
Wow.
And so we're going to be offering that again at this event, November 6th. And then we're going to do the follow-up dose December 4th, same location, because it is a 2-dose regimen. And we're going to be offering all sorts of services, and community partners will be out there. I know Community Assistance Center will be out there, Texas A&M AgriLife. The food bank will be offering bags of food. It's going to be so many partners out there, and it's really one of the first times we're going to be out and about doing things since the pandemic. So we're really excited to get out in the community again, just spread the word about all the services that we offer to low income and underinsured.
Are there any
people.
restrictions with coming out there?
No,
I mean,
it's
is
going
it
to be
open
it's
to
outdoors.
everybody?
It's open to anyone. They don't have to be a resident of the county or anything like that. If they want to
Show
come
up.
out, yep, just show up.
And
Have
the
fun.
panel discussion, talk about the panel discussion.
Oh, yes. The panel discussion is going to be kind of the focal point of the event, where we're going to have some providers from the health center and from the community come out and just talk about various health concerns going on in our community, but also talk about COVID-19, the safety of the vaccine, and give people just a little bit more
What time does
information.
that happen?
That's going to be at noon.
At noon?
Yep.
Who's on the panel?
I can tell you exactly who's on the panel.
Okay.
So I know from Sam Houston, we're going to have Dr. Jimenez and Dr. Banks. Dr. Banks is a psychologist.
Courtney Banks.
Yep, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
So
Great
she's
names.
actually Shannon and Courtney. Yes, you're right. And they're
Okay.
going to be kind of talking about more of the psychological components of all the stress of, living through a pandemic and living through just disease going on in our community. And also our doctors, we're going to have Dr. Ham and Dr. Sanchez. Those are Lone Star family doctors, and they're going to be talking about the safety of the vaccine. And also we're going to give a lot of room for people to ask their own questions. So we're going to let the community guide the conversation as well.
That sounds great. So the vaccinations that you are providing are first-time vaccines,
yes, that's right. They are first time only for November
Okay.
6th. And then the
Moderna,
second,
too.
Moderna.
And the second dose will be December 4th. And we are not doing any third dose boosters at either of these events.
Are you doing that at all?
Yes, for our patients
Yes.
in the health center, Moderna.
You have to be a patient.
Okay.
Yes. You don't have to be a patient for a November 6th vaccine.
Okay. All right. So other sponsors that you have for this event, Rita, do you want to share some of that information, or do you want me to help you with that?
Well, we have the Met Center. Met's coming out. They're going to provide services for men and for veterans. We have Sam Houston State. They're doing health screenings. Children's Books on Wheels will have their promotors out there, so they will be providing services. Project Fuel, which is a mental health project for families coping with COVID and working together as a family to improve the health and well-being and mental conditions of the resiliency program, part of COVID. Excuse me. We'll have the YMCA coming out. We'll have City Cathedral. We'll have Pop Church. We will have people coming out from Meals on Wheels. Meals on Wheels, they partnered with us last year to provide over 7,524 meals.
That's amazing. That was lunchtime, Monday
Yeah.
through Friday.
7,524 meals and 60,000
Great
vaccines.
partnerships in the community.
Beautiful partnerships. I can't imagine not doing this project without Lone Star and without all the meals that were provided by Summer and her team. And also the important thing about it is that it's outside, so people that are worried about their 6 feet of space, they'll be able to do that. It's so much space out there. You'll have so much room to breathe, to get around. And we also have food out there. So a church from Tamina, Fresh Anointed Ministries, is providing the food, and they're doing catfish dinners. So if you haven't had any of their catfish, it is so good. Fresh catfish and also the sides to go with it.
Is that a fee for the lunch?
It is a fee for the lunch, and we got to eat somewhere.
So it's there. It's convenient.
There. It's right there.
So that's a good thing.
It's right there.
So, Courtney, you are fairly new to Lone Star Family Health Center.
I am. I came right after the countywide vaccine.
Yes.
Oh, you missed out on the
I
fun,
timed that
Courtney.
perfectly.
Yes, you did. Yes, I got my vaccine at Lone Star Family
I
Health
did
in
too.
Tamina.
Yay.
And
Yes, she
then
did.
I
That's
waited
wonderful.
after the Snowmageddon in the humongous line at the Montgomery County Fair, Airport, whatever, that whole thing. Fortunately, it was a beautiful day, so you could have the windows down. Funny how, the weather just keeps changing. But I know that Lone Star Family Health Center has been very involved in the community. And can you tell me a little bit about the services they offer?
Yeah. I'll just kind of talk about the vaccine real quick. I actually got it before I started there, too. So I don't know. It must have been fate
You're
or
safe.
something. Yeah, I'm definitely safe.
Was it through us?
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, it was. I did it at the fairgrounds and then at the
And if it wasn't, she would.
Wood Forest. I would say it anyways, right? Yeah.
Okay, good.
But yes, so Lone Star Family Health Center, we're a state-of-the-art health center located here in Conroe, but we have other locations. We have locations in Willis, Spring, Grangerland, and in Huntsville. And we have family practice physicians. We also offer dental, behavioral health. We can do x-rays and labs, women's health. So I think a lot of people kind of have the misconception that we're like an urgent care walk-in clinic, but we're so much more than that. We're kind of a one-stop shop family medicine
It's very
practice.
comprehensive.
Yes,
QHC.
definitely. Yes. And we have a pharmacy. So, I mean, you can come see your doctor, get some labs, x-rays, get some prescriptions. I mean, we'll do everything.
So that's at the main center in Conroe,
Yes.
right? That's not at the affiliate places.
The only other satellite clinic that has an in-house pharmacy is Huntsville. But yes, most of our services are in Conroe, but we love to have people in the other areas as well too. But yeah, we're a federally qualified health center. So we started in 2002. We've been in the community since then, and we have wonderful doctors, and it's a really great place. I think it's kind of a hidden gem in Conroe.
So if I wanted to go with, let's say, Blue Cross Blue Shield there, I could use that insurance?
Yeah, so we do uninsured and we have a sliding fee scale that has some eligibility requirements with that. We have insured, so private insurance, and then Medicaid and Medicare. So yeah, we take everything.
So everything.
Everything,
Whatever.
yes.
Everybody.
Everything.
Yes, we're open to everybody.
Well, and you also offer different programs. I know that you are partnering with the Montgomery County Food Bank to offer some
Yes.
nutritional
Yeah,
classes.
they've been Facebook Live, and they occur every Tuesday. So tomorrow, yeah,
Yeah, the next
yeah,
one should be
the
tomorrow.
next one.
That's
I
right.
think, is that the last one, or is there one more after that?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, my dates are all jumbled in my
But
head.
where can they
yes.
find these events? On your Facebook
Oh, yes,
page? Or where?
Facebook. So we are on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're on Twitter, we're on YouTube. You can go to our website, which is lonestarfamily.org. Hopefully in the next month or so, we'll have a new website out there that we're still kind of in the process of working on, but it'll have tons more information on there. But yes, visit us on social media. We partner with a lot of other organizations. We do a lot of nutrition classes, diabetes care, that kind of stuff inside our facility. Last October, this past month, we were doing some breast cancer awareness stuff. November is National Diabetes Month, so we're doing some things on that as well too throughout the month. So just trying to get the word out there to get everybody healthy.
So at the Fall Health and Wellness Festival coming up this Saturday, you're going to be a part of the panel discussion, and you're going to be giving the COVID vaccines, first time users, whatever. But you're also going to have other information about all of the
Our
services
Yeah,
you
sure.
provide.
Well, we come across people all the time that never even heard of us.
Right.
So we're assuming we'll be, spreading the word about all our services and letting people know how to become a patient, how to go through the eligibility process, and just kind of explain what makes us unique, all of our discount services that makes it easier to see primary care. And the other thing that we'll be doing is kind of piggybacking off of the screenings that Sam Houston is going to be offering. So they're going to be doing blood pressure, but they don't provide primary care, so they're able to refer directly to us to kind of follow through on that loop, so to speak, to make sure that person gets the care that they need.
So what hospitals are you affiliated with? I know you're right next to the HCA
Yes, and we're affiliated
Conroe
with them.
Hospital.
Yes, and we deliver babies there as well.
Deliver
Yes.
babies.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
we have 30 residents on staff, and then we have a faculty that helps them. It's like a teaching hospital, kind of like, I don't know, in my mind, I kind of consider it like a little bit of Grey's Anatomy type of
Absolutely.
thing. It's a teaching
100%,
hospital.
yes.
So our residents, work with HCA Houston Healthcare Conroe. I think I got that right. Gosh, Matt, that's a long name.
I know,
If you're
it is.
listening, Matt Davis. But yes, I think, like Savitri said, I think people just don't realize that we're in the community and what we all can offer. So when we do events like this, we are just happy to be able to tell people everything.
And you're
about
a
us.
nonprofit? Is that
We are a nonprofit.
We're
Yes.
a nonprofit.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're excited, very excited. We have Lone Star College that's coming out. We have Texas A&M. We have Rice University. So we have everybody coming out.
A lot of
Kind
professionals.
eclectic
And there's
event.
still time, even though it's just a few days away. There's still time to let us know if you want to come and be a vendor.
Okay,
So
yeah, I forgot that
yeah.
part. You have vendors coming too. How many vendors do you have so far, Rita?
So far, maybe about 12 or 13.
So there's lots
Wow.
of room, and it's a
Yeah.
big park.
It's huge. It's
So-
a huge park. There is so much space there that you can spread out under the pavilion or either out one of the trees. And there's a playground area for the kids.
Right.
So we're real excited. We will have traffic control there that day with Millsap and his crew. So it's really a safe event, opportunity to come out to network, opportunity to also come out. We're going to have the Hispanic Chambers going to be there. So
Okay.
it's going to be really great,
Nice.
you know, and we look forward to partnering with all the
You gonna have any
colleges.
books?
We're going to have a whole ton of books.
Yay.
Can't have an event
I mean,
without
come on,
books.
children's books on wheels.
I mean, it's in the name.
It's in the
and
name.
right, so you started that way with books, but it's so much more, right, Rita?
It's the 4 components. So we have health literacy, educational literacy, financial literacy, and we have digital literacy. We're proud of that program, Kid Text, which is a trademark for Children's Books on Wheels. We also have services as far as with healthcare marketplace navigators, signing families up for CHIP, Medicaid, and food stamps. The healthcare marketplace opens November the 1st, so we'll be able to help families with that. We have breast cancer awareness. We have a domestic violence component. We have free tax services that we provide, and Lone Star is one of our partners. So we will be doing free taxes again at the Lone Star Family Health Center. So it's just a win-win situation with Children's Books on Wheels. And if people haven't partnered with us, I don't know what's wrong with them, you know, but we would appreciate any partnership to provide services. We'll have books for children, for adults, and it's going to be a wonderful event. Come out
And it's
have
free.
some fun.
It's free.
Yes.
You just
Right?
show up.
Yeah.
You have
Remember,
to pay
we-
for the food,
You have to
but
pay for the
everything
food.
else and any other services from the vendors. But as far as coming and listening, getting your COVID vaccine, if you haven't done that yet, or picking up some books, or finding out some information. And you did mention that the open enrollment is November 1st, today. And how long does that go on?
It's through January the 15th.
Okay.
So we'll be at mobile sites all around the county providing places. We'll be out with Maria Banos out in Deerwood. We'll be out at Kings Colony. We will be in Magnolia, at SOS.
Throughout the county.
Northwest
As you do.
Ministries. Yes,
I
we're
never know where
everywhere.
Rita is on a given day.
She's everywhere.
We
She
play with
is
everybody.
everywhere. You play well with everybody, and that's a good thing. So when you think of Children's Books on Wheels and more, that's really all
Yes,
you
it
need
should
to
just,
say.
yeah, it should say and more at
And
the
more.
end.
Yeah,
I'll vote
you
for
know,
that.
more.
Yeah, that's Valerie Vogt said that the other day when I saw her. She said it should be in more. One of the other things that's so important about this event is its access to services. I remember one time, Margie, you and I, and we were talking to one of the ladies from Entergy that was on your show, and we were talking about how many ways can you say free, no cost, you know, it just so many ways you can say free. And free with Children's Books on Wheels is a quality service. Just because it's free does not mean it's not a quality service. So we do provide those by certified healthcare marketplace navigators. If we're providing a service, I can guarantee you we're certified in it at multiple languages. VITA, this is our 10th or 11th year. We received an award down at the Federal Reserve for the projects that we do. We've been all over the country talking about how we provide services in Montgomery County. And it's just amazing that they are adopting a lot of our services. I know that when Congresswoman Sheila Jackson Lee came out, part of the Trump administration, when they were talking about how do you put an event together as far as testing, and Children's Books on Wheels worked with FEMA, and we were part of the logistics for that program. And then when Judge Keogh came up, he said, how are we going to do this? What do we do? I said, we just do it. So we provide the services, and we partner with our dear friends at the Lone Star Family Health Center. We appreciate Karen and the team and you guys working with us, and we're just going to
So
roll
much.
on.
It's
Yeah.
all
We
about
love working with
and
you.
Yeah.
Thank
helping the community.
Yes.
So let me give you those websites again. Children's Books on Wheels
.org.
.org. You can also find them Same, Children's Books on Wheels on Facebook, Lone Star Family Health Center, LoneStarFamily.org, or Lone Star Family Health Center on Facebook. So, I mean, you can pretty much Google it and find it too. It's pretty easily found, which is a good thing. So come on out there on November 6th to the Fall Health Wellness Festival at Tamina Community Park, and just put that in your phone and you can find it, or you can call Rita Wiltz at 281-844-7596 to find out more. It's going to be a great event.
We're looking forward to it.
Great event. So thank you, ladies, and I look
Margie.
forward
Thank you so
to
much.
Thank you, Margie.
hearing more about what you do.
We appreciate you. You definitely are the best in the business.
Okay.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you, Margie.
Thank you.